So the noise sound like it's coming from the head. Hear that? That sound like lifters, but now we don't know how the oil pressure is, so we have to check the oil pressure. There's also a leak here, right? We need to check the oil pressure, so we can know there's enough oil coming to the head, and then the pickup might be blocked. But depending on the oil pressure test, we will understand what to do next. But it sounds like you're gonna need lifters here. Cams have to come off, chain have to come off, all that. Get the cams out and the lifters to be replaced. So it's quite it's not a quick job. Yeah. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of the VIN and I'm gonna pre-quote it so that you know. No? But that definitely sounds like the head. And it doesn't seem to go away. No? Alright, so I'll update you.